So the first thing I've done is taken the Geami wrap and just ripped some off. Kind of lined the bottom of the suitcase and the back so that those bars are a little bit padded. Next, I'm going to start wrapping each one individually. I'll do this one-handed. And I'm going to try to put them in here so that when the suitcase is upright, the pots are upright as well, so they have a little bit more stability, and pack as many as I can. I might be able to get 2 layers in there. Since this is going to be my carry-on bag, I feel like I can stack them a little bit more precarious since I'll be the one in charge of making sure that it's handled properly. The pots that are going to go in my checked bag are going to get wrapped in the Geami and then also in my clothing, and I'm going to try to put less pots in that bag just because we don't trust TSA guys or gals for that matter. So far I have 14 mugs in there and I'm hoping to get a second layer. So I got another 12 pots on top of the original layer, and then I'm going to take a piece of Geami double stacked, lay it on top and zip it shut. Fingers crossed. I've got the layers of Geami on the top and I shoved some all around the sides and the bottom and a little bit extra padding on the top where those lips of the mugs were. It shuts good. Now time to zip. She's ready to roll. 26 pots down. And I think I'm about halfway. Oh no.